What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live on a Saturday with another one. Another lit video, baby. Woo! Boy, I think I might call DJ Khaled. I might give him a couple of dollars. You know what I'm saying? He might come do my another one for me. You know, I'd surprise y'all or something. I didn't put it on video, turn around the camera or something. Anyway, man, it's Saturday. I'm just talking my talk, baby. We're gonna make this money. You know what I'm saying? There's always somebody new watching. So that's why a lot of time I have to repeat myself, you know, how to make this money. So that's what we're going to do, baby. But I was looking around YouTube, man. And I was just cracking up laughing at some of these people, man. They trying their best not to talk about drip, man. Like, bruh, I don't care what you talk about. I mean, it reminds me of how it was when we started in the Hex. You know what I'm saying? I remember me and Craig, you talk about that all. Like, bruh, y'all can talk about all the other stuff all y'all want to, but you see it. You see Hex. You see it. You think it's changing lives on the daily, just like drip. I mean, I be seeing them. Oh, I got $400,000 in elephant token. I'm making $200 a day. Bro, shit. Bro, I got 40,000 in buy swap, and I'm making damn near $500 a day. Like, that's nothing to brag about. You taking $300,000-$400,000, you only making $200 a day. That's a loss. You locking up $300,000-$400,000 to make $200. That's dumb. You leading people wrong. Cause look here, man. Let me tell you something. All this stuff is risky. So don't come telling me about risk and safe and all of it is risky. You know what I'm saying? Hey, drip ain't been hacked yet. Elephant have. Well, I ain't forgot. You know what I'm saying? You know, let's keep it real. This thing here, man, look here. I'm running out of words to explain this right here. Like, people be trying to get me to, I can have a lot more people in drip, but they be trying to get me to force them and beg them and tell them every little single. No, bruh. If you don't know by now, man, I don't know what to tell you, man. Cause everybody ain't gonna make it. It's just like going to heaven or something. Everybody ain't gonna make it, man. You see what I'm saying? This money just, boy, look here. Oh, matter of fact, let me do something. Let me see something. Let me make this claim right quick. Let me see something. And I should pause the video for an hour just to see. And I tell people do this all the time. Make a claim. Man, come on. Middle man, God, dog. Make a claim. And then note what time it is. And then an hour later, come look back right here and see what you make in an hour. That'll change your whole perspective on drip. I'm telling you, think about what you make at your job. Come back. Let this go. Let it be zero. And come back in an hour and see what you make. Now, this video will probably be 10 minutes. I'm probably about 4 minutes in, so it'll probably be 6 minutes. I'm going to see what I make in about 6 minutes on drip, right? But I'm gotta keep it going, you know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got going on, man. We got coin swap, still booming. How long I've been talking about coin swap, man? In, out, in. It's still going. I love platform. It don't matter. It's gonna roll with or without you, bro. They got a new platform. We got a new little token right here. What it is, 500%? What that thing paying today, boy? Thing paying 1.39%, boy. All right now. But I don't know what that is. I don't know what that Venti. I don't know. I don't know what that is. I ain't no research guy, so I ain't finna sit here and lie to him for saying, hey, bro, I ain't read a white paper since I've been in crypto. I just keep it real, man. I ain't read a white paper. I don't give a damn. Look, man, white papers are good as toilet paper to me. Always have been, always will be. All they do is change them. You ever notice that? Like, you read the white paper, and then something happened with the platform. Oh, we had to change section B5. We don't change the percentage and change. What the use in having a white paper for? You don't get to the roadmap anyway. You get halfway through the roadmap, and then that's it. Here come version 2.0. Here come the crypto debit card and all that. Y'all might, hey, I be right all the time, man. I ain't trying to pat myself on the back. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just trying to tell you, man. Look here. Like I said, I get off track. Coin swap still banking. Let me go on the mass harvest that. Let me go put that on in the bank. come back and shell it, come back and sell it. I don't do all of it on camera. It take too long, but it take a long time to go through some of these farms, man. Like, for real. You don't think about it till you have to actually video it. When you on your own in your computer, like yesterday I did that, I had to click that thing 100 times, man, to get it, do that airdrop. 100 different transactions. Man, I need a secretary or something, but I need an award. Forrest Shaw need to give me a medal. Boy, I need a trophy or something. Let's see. What we got over here? Buy swap. Boy, check this price out. 132. This thing is not stopping, bruh. This is crazy. This is crazy. And then they got, let me show you. I saw something scroll past a few minutes ago. They got an ADA launch pad coming. An ADA Cardano, a launch pad. Man, look here. Link in the description. Do what you want to do, man. Go buy you some hourglass token then. Just since you think that's the best thing going, you know, you do that. Have fun. Anyway, I see y'all long head asses coming over here. This thing was at like 9 million liquidity. Now y'all big head. I should be talking about this stuff. Y'all come messing up the APR. What was that? What, 258? 223 still good. I'm glad to see y'all coming making money, man. You know what I'm saying? I do it for the peoples, man. That's what's happening. Here come the Bet Fury folk, you know what I'm saying? With they 200%, do your thing, you know. It ain't open to American citizens, so I can't talk about it, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna, you know. What is it, boosted right here? What are you talking about? Oh, them good percentages for, that's stable. That's good percentages for stable. That's why I got so much money in the thing. Boy, good God. Good, googly goo. Cause that's why you just, man, if you know percentages, bro, you just don't even understand, man. That's just, you can't lose. It's USD, you can't lose. Like people talking about high loss in this, but you can't lose in a stable coin pair, bro. God, dog, but some of this stuff like, y'all just like, some people just ain't gonna get it, man. Some people just, let me, I'm talking running my yap. Let me come in and harvest this thing up. See, I ain't got but 47,000 here. There it is right now. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I keep it all the way real, cause the truth gonna come out anyway. You know what I'm saying? I ain't finna sit here tell you why I'm making $500 off of 10,000. Now I got 47,000. That's what's in here. You see it? Do the math. That's what, 386 tokens at $1.32. Do the math. That's $500. No lie, baby. No lie. And you get paid. Let me show you something else. Well, I mean, just be in buy swap, bro. Let me show you something. Just do it. Show you that right here. This is another. I mean, I showed this before, but just make sure I'm showing you. Look at that. Remember last time I showed you I had 61 coins? Hey, you get free coins when you just for even selling your tokens. You get coins, bro. Who does that? What platform give you tokens for selling your tokens, bro? Why did now? I got what, 70 even. What that 70 even? Cause I can't put it on the whole screen. Why didn't I? Go sell that thing. Enter Bing Bing. The Bing Bing. See what 1.2 BNB. That good money nowadays. What BNB? 400. 400. This is free money. Oh shoot. What happened to my thing? Free money, baby. This is the money channel, boy. I'm changing live. Boy, you hear me? Oh, let me see if I'm gonna get my money. Let me see how long it'll take to get me my money. But yeah, man. I be seeing people, boy, they be trying to talk around, especially when they be doing live stream, but they be trying to talk around, they be trying to talk about IDOs and NFTs and this and that and the other. Man, if you don't understand NFTs, you're gonna lose money, bro. More people lose money on the NFTs than they make money. You understand what I'm saying? That's just the truth. So long take the thing to give me some money, man. Come on, man, give me some money. I ain't said that much on. There it is. See that? See that? It wasn't that much, but it's free. I'm already up to set. It's free. You know what I'm saying? Let me go back over here to drip, see how much money I'm. Bruh, I'm almost at $30. Bruh. It's been what? That was it. 3 minutes. 5 minutes, like 30 seconds. Look at that. It's almost 6 minutes, bruh. I make $30 every 6 minutes. Not an hour. This is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And you want to tiptoe and nibble around drip? I ain't telling you what to do, but you should have been there and put your 401k. You should have sold your grandmama a fake leg. You know what I'm saying? Get your dog collar. Whatever you got to do. Your favorite tooth. Boy, don't stop going to that plasma center, donating plasma, get in this drip, baby. You see it. Hey, it's lonely at the top, baby. Like the video. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at your boy.